Here on my screen are the two versions of the result that are produced by my two workflows. In the first version, you could see that the content is a bit generic and is not structured in a good way. However, if we come to the second version of the workflow, you could see that the workflow generate better introduction and the content is also structured really well within this blog post. Hi everyone, welcome to MindPal. In the last video, I already introduced to you the process of building an AI workflow that can help you automate the process of generating SEO blog post ideas for different type of posts. Now that you have your blog post idea, the next mission is to automate the process of content creation. But how to make your AI produce high quality content is a really important question here. In today's videos, I will show you how you could achieve that by setting up your AI workflows as well as making further adjustment inside your workflow to achieve this goal. Now we would take a look at the setup behind the two versions of the workflow that I show you. The first version is the workflow with generic result that is produced, and the second version is the workflow with good results. We will take a look at the prompts of each step, as well as we also need to take a look at the agent. And here you could see there is a huge difference between the setup behind the two agents. The version 2 contain a really high agent, contain a really highly specialized agent background. However, the first version is just really short description of the background. You can improve the background by using this feature on MindPal, as well as you can also add a little more background for your agent. In this description of background of the agent, it specifies the expertise and also the writing style and also the behavior of the workflow, as well as the specialization in writing how-to guide blog posts. In just a minute, I will show you how you can just add the requirement just like that. You can add like specialize in how to write blog posts, and you use this enhance background feature. You can add the second one. You can search the web for to get more content reference. Okay, so that is the first part. I think this can be good as well. So coming to the second part is the desired format. You could see the huge difference here. The setup for this this AI agent contained a really detailed description of desired format, as well as the structure of the article that is required here, and it's also provide the example of a good blog post here. This is the framework that I get reference from Ahrefs blog post template. So if you want to create more blog posts, you can take a look at these guys as well. And so I think to be quick, we can just copy this desired format here. Other different you could see is the tool to search the knowledge source and the web search that we input here. So in this agent, the agent can search on Google and YouTube. So now we can also provide the resource here for this agent like that. And also we can get check furthermore on the difference between model setting. The model setting here is GPT-4o, so it will be fine. Then we can increase the temperature here, and if you are really curious, you can also experiment more model here. Maybe we could change to GPT-4 Turbo, and we can also check on other difference here as well. As well as you can also add a style for the agent. Here I will use MindPal style. You can also experiment by inputting a pivot example of a good blog post. Here I have my blog post on MindPal. I can just you copy this blog post and paste the content here, and it can help me to analyze this brand voice, and I can create this style in just a second. So that is just some of the different way you can set up your agent. And now we save this agent, and we will experiment the different in result. I will take some idea from the previous run of my SEO blog post idea generator. So this is a how-to post, so I can choose maybe this, okay. And here, and I start running the result to see the difference that we just make here. As you can see, the workflow now generate a better content for us with better structure, better introduction, and the in details in the main content here. As you could see, with just a little more effort you put in training your AI, it can help you produce a better result and can help you automate your work. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how you could run this content creation at scale. You can produce 100 and 1,000 blog posts in just a single in a run. And this workflow is also published on our um, workflow template library. You can go to this page and try the workflow. I think this is for today. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to be updated from us. Thank you so much.